What up guys, today is October 4th, 2021, and in today's trade analysis we have SPCE, XENE, AMD, MRNA, and MXC. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and let's go straight with the trade analysis. What up guys, how you doing? So let's just go straight with SPCE here. SPCE is hitting a crucial support level here, and SPY is just not looking good overall. So it's kind of hard to see where SPY is going to go from now on. Is it going to go down further and more, or is it just going to go higher? Kind of hard to say, but if you look at the 1 minute, SPY just kind of consolidated in a tight range within this range over here. So just the topping around that 428 and the bottoming around 426. So the fact that it stayed very tight within that range is a little bit scary for me, and I don't really see any indication for the upside or the downside. But if I had to predict something, I would say more towards the downside, because the only reason why is it's already down so much. If there was a long period of consolidation at this low, I think a lot of people would be like, oh, maybe I should buy the dip. But at this point, it's pretty low and it's consolidating near the bottom of that low, and people are still not sure. So that kind of just shows me that like there might be more to come. There might be more of a a bloody days to come in there. Sounds like a British guy there, bloody white. Anyways, so SPCE is on watch for that due to the fact that it is testing that support level over here around that 2257, and if it does break that, this has so much more space here just to keep going down further and further. So we'll keep a close eye on that one. XENE is our top gapper play for today. It has jumped huge. It's up 105% right now, and it's just due to a positive mid-stage pharmaceutical result that just came out, and the news is pretty good. Positive catalyst is always a good catalyst. But if you look at the 1 minute, actually traded this stock around here, and I just sold over here for a quick profit. I just didn't like how long it was consolidating, and it did fake people out and went all the way down. But near the end of the day, the stock was able to rally pretty good and end up as high as 33.44. So this could go pretty good. Like looking at the daily here, it just started. Like look at that strong volume. Like this one volume is so big here, this bar, that I can't even see the previous bar. So it's got all the fuel it needs. It's got everything it possibly could ever want to go higher and higher and higher. We just don't know how high, but tomorrow I'll keep a close eye on it to see how it does. Especially if SPY will be going down. I don't know if it's going to be correlated with SPY, or just going to say fuck it, I don't care about SPY, and just keep going higher and higher. So we'll try to see for a good entry for XENE tomorrow. AMD looks exactly like SPCE setup right here, where this red candle got bought up and had a small bounce to only be shut down. And here, I'll give you guys an example. I'm going to show you guys SPCE really quickly again. SPCE, do you see that? This red candle goes up for just a short-lived moment, then it gets smacked down again. So AMD is on the same boat. They're literally, AMD and SPCE are just chilling on the same boat, hanging out. And the downside potential here is quite a bit, because it has a huge gap to fill. So if SPY is going to go down, SPY is going to have huge volume for the downward side. I would not be surprised if AMD will have a huge red day to follow. So definitely keep an eye for that one. MRNA had a massive gap down today, but rallied pretty good. Went as low as 305, I believe. Let's see, yep, around 305 mark, and just rallied and rallied and never went down to retouch that moment. Even though SPY was going down and other securities were going down, this had a tight range consolidating between, put this down here, it's between 313 and 331, and it just stayed pretty tight within it. But if you look at the daily, MRNA has been beat down in the past few days, so I'm not too surprised that people are buying this, because if you look at how we looked at AMD and SPCE, pretty much this is where they are right now, and MRNA is like 2 days ahead of them. So I'm hoping for the future with AMD and SPCE that it's going to be like this situation where I have 2 big red days, then I buy the dip near a good support level here. So I definitely see more bullish movement toward MRNA. So if I do see a strong bounce coming from SPY, I'll be looking at MRNA to be my main indicator, or my main warrior stock market that's gonna rally with SPY. MXC, so this stock just went parabolic on us today. Massive volume that comes in, but looking at the daily here, it looks like one of those stocks that does have a huge rally, then just only give it back in the next few days. So I don't know if this is going to continue on with it and just give us higher highs, but I don't really think so, because for example, look at this day, had a massive volume candle, even higher than we had today, but it gave everything back the next day. So if this gives back everything the next day, I wouldn't be surprised. The SPY is weak. Not saying that this one's going to be heavily correlated with SPY, but when SPY is on a more doomy, gloomy, massive red day kind of thing, all the other sectors tend to correlate to some degree, even the ones that don't usually correlate with SPY. So if SPY has a big red day and people see that this stock is one of those just pump and dump, I could definitely see this stock just give up all this gain tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching the trade analysis. Like always, I'm not a financial guru, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a new day trader, just trying to document the whole process of me one day becoming a profitable day trader. And I do this so I can share with other people what I'm thinking, what I'm trading, and just a thought process pretty much, just to break it down of why I'm entering these kind of stocks and why I'm looking at these kind of stocks. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.